What's going on, everybody? Today we are at the Aria, gonna do a room tour of the center suite strip view in room number 19074. Let's check it out. Alrighty, so coming into the suite, this is your entryway. When you come in, you've got some lights here to control all of the lighting, and once you check in, the lights will automatically pop up. But this is your entryway. You've got some lamps and a little decor here on this side. And then here to your right is the bedroom area. So you do have a private bedroom in this suite. You've got 2 queen beds. So as you come into the bedroom area, as you see, you've got your 2 queen beds on this side. And then across from the beds, you have a flat screen TV. You also have your reading lamps above. I don't have those on, they do work though. And then here you have a lamp. And then by this lamp, I believe this tablet is on. All right, maybe it's not, but you have a tablet where you control everything. There's another one in the other room, so you'll see momentarily. And then you just have some drawers bedside, so nice little bedroom area. And then as you go through here, you come into your bathroom. Now this bathroom is massive. It's a large bathroom, probably one of the biggest I've seen in some of these suites in Vegas. So I'll start from the back and come to the front. So over here behind these tempered doors is your toilet. So you've got a water closet for the toilet, and it does have a bidet. So if you want to utilize the bidet, you can. You also have a phone to call for help in the event you need to call someone. And then across from the toilet, of course, you have the full body mirror, so you can check yourself out before you hit the strip. This is your closet, so you've got a nice closet space. You've got your complimentary robes over there. You have your iron and your ironing board on that side, and then over here you have an in-room safe. So if you need to lock up your valuables, you have a space to do that. Leaving the closet, moving our way on over. As you see, you have his and hers sinks with the big backlit mirrors. You have both of those, and then you have a TV here for that amazing tub, which I will get to in a second. And then opposite, you have a vanity space here. So you've got a mirror and you've got a table with a vanity mirror as well, and a chair or a seat below. Moving on to the standing shower. Got a tough door, so this is your standing shower. Nice standing size, or nice space standing shower. You've got a bench back there as well with your shower head above. And then across from the standing shower, this is your jacuzzi tub. So if you press this button here, obviously there's no water. That will bubble. That'll bubble up your water, get your fizz on, so you can relax and enjoy that flat screen TV over there. And then you have 2 chairs, so if you want to take in the nice views of Vegas from the bathroom, you can definitely do that. So this is your bedroom. We're going into the living room entertainment area. And before I leave, I do want to point out you do have your lights and switches here. So if you want to close the drapes and shears, you can do that. Again, you can also do that from the tablet. Not sure why, this one's probably dead. So coming into your living room area here, you have a business space. So if you need to do some work, you can do that. You've also got some electrical outlets there. So you've got an Ethernet and some standard charging, and then there's your phone. This is your couch. I'll come back to this side in a second so I can show off the view. But here is your entertainment space. So you've got a flat screen TV. You've got some alcohol. Of course, that's not included. This is a mini bar. So if you do want to purchase some things, you can just grab them up off the sensor. It'll charge your card, use the check-in. Then over here, you just got some space to store some things. So if you need some shelves, you got some space. Over here behind this door is your mini refrigerator. So if you want to keep your drinks cool, you can. That is also an ice maker. So, oh, and I forgot to point that out. You got a digital control, so you can adjust it as need be. This door is a little tight, so yeah. And then you've got your ice bucket and cups right there. So you do have an ice maker if you need extra ice. You can do that. And then over here you just have like an extra space, but you can move that bench, so if you want to move it, you can. the strip view. This view is amazing. We're on the 19th floor. Get a great view of the strip. Aria's in the middle. This is your couch. It's not a pull-out bed, just a regular couch. But as you see, the views go all the way around. And just for a quick view, you could open these. I just haven't opened them all the way. But you could literally just walk around this little space here. I don't really know what you would call this space, but it's there. And that's gonna do it for this video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit the like button. Subscribe if you're new. Thanks for watching.